Hi, I'm Steve. I live and ride my bike right here in Ashe County, North Carolina. I'm here to tell you about the Ashe County Chamber of Commerce. Did you know that the Ashe County Chamber of Commerce supports one of the best bike rides in all of North Carolina? It's called the Blue Ridge Brutal. The Brutal rides through some of the most spectacular scenery in the Blue Ridge Mountains. We have 50, 70, and 100-mile rides, something for everybody. And when you're done, if you want, you can take that 3-mile ride to the top of Mount Jefferson. It's awesome, but it's brutal. Proceeds from the Blue Ridge Brutal go to support Ashe County High School senior scholarships. It's a great investment in our future. And because so many riders come from the surrounding region, the Brutal has over $180,000 of economic impact to Ashe County. It's a win for everybody. So grab your helmet, grab your bike, let's ride.